Hello, so this is a video to show you how to make the wiring, how to make the wiring of this device, the AW-CFP2166-1C, the conventional carbon monoxide detector. So it needs those two terminals called relay need to be connected to the zone, and the 24 volts need to be connected to the resetable 24 volts. So now I will do the cabling. Okay, now I'm done with the cabling, and you can see on the relay part we have the end of line resistance, which is 6.8 kilo ohm, and we have here a trigger resistance of 470 ohms. So you need to put it in either on the positive or the negative of the those two cables which connect to the zone. Okay, and for the 24 volt positive and negative goes to 24 volt positive and negative. Okay, so let me get so here you can see better. So we have 24 volts here, which is the cable goes to the 24 volt over here, and we have this cable on the zone here, which is connected to the relay. So if you only have one, as the detector, the monocarbon is a 4-wire device, you need 2 cable for the zone and 2 cable for the 24 volt, and you also need the as I show you, the trigger resistance, so that if it receives a signal or it detects the CO, it will send the signal to the panel, and the panel will go on fire alarm. Okay, so this is how to make the cabling.